How to fix flash option not showing on Instagram or Instagram resale option missing. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue on Instagram. Now, if those two specific options is not available on your Instagram applications, since this is a new feature that Instagram added, just simply pull up your Google Play Store just to make sure, and then type in Instagram like so. So as you can see, update button is actually available on my end. So you want to have to make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Instagram app. So you will have the flash option and the restyle option as well. Now, once you've fully updated this, the next thing that you want to have to do before pulling up your Instagram application again is to tap and hold on your Instagram application icon right here and choose on the eye logo so that you will be redirected into app info. Scroll down in here and then choose on storage. Now, as you can see, there is two options available below, which is going to be clear data and clear cache. You want to have to do both of them. It will not harm your account. It will just refresh or reset the whole application for some malwares or bugs or crashes. And that's it. That's how you fix flash option not showing on Instagram or Instagram restyle option missing.